In this video, we'll show you 20 new Klein tools that stand far above the rest. Whether you are working on a construction site or a do-it-yourself project, these tools are designed to offer real improvements. So let's get started. Tired of carrying a dull old lunchbox that fails to match your busy lifestyle? Consider taking the Klein Tradesman Pro lunchbox with you. This lunchbox can keep your food and beverages cool for up to 30 hours. With an impressive capacity of 17 quarts or 18 cans, there is plenty of room for all your preferred snacks and drinks. Additionally, the Tradesman Pro functions as a convenient seat and can support weight up to 300 pounds. It becomes an ideal solution for moments when you need to rest. Inside, there is a storage compartment that acts like a small pantry, holding essential items such as your phone, medication, keys, and napkins. The lid opens completely to 180 degrees for easy access, eliminating any struggle to reach your favorite treat. Discover effective storage options with the Klein Tools MODbox Hybrid Toolbox. Constructed from impact-resistant polymers, this toolbox is durable enough to protect your equipment. It is designed to connect seamlessly with other MODbox components, allowing you to build a personalized mobile workstation. A standout feature is the fully removable lid. When you require an open crate, simply take off the lid. The toolbox supports up to 75 pounds of weight and holds an IP64 rating, providing protection against dust and water. The lid can be attached to the bottom of the toolbox when used as a crate, ensuring it is always within reach. With the multi-hook rail attachment, the lid can also be secured to the side rails. Inside, 2 adjustable dividers allow for customization. Stack them for deep storage or place them side by side for shallower compartments. This toolbox includes a steel-reinforced lock for enhanced security and a pivoting handle for comfortable transport. It is rugged, adaptable, and prepared to withstand demanding use. Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl is designed to keep your work area clean and free of debris. It works with hole sizes up to 6 3/8 inches in diameter and arbors up to ½ an inch. This dust bowl is compatible with the most common vacuum hose sizes, featuring a vacuum port with friction fit for easy connection. Its dual material bowl provides the necessary support when beginning cuts, as it flexes as you progress through materials. Its smooth, sealed ball-bearing collar offers a durable, low-friction surface for smooth interaction with the hole saw arbor. When finished, the dust bowl collapses for convenient storage, preventing bulky accessories from cluttering your space. Its translucent design also allows for easy alignment of the cutting tool, ensuring cleaner cuts and a tidier job site every time. Klein Tools Hook and Loop Dispenser is a simple yet transformative tool for managing cables and wires. It dispenses custom-length strips of hook and loop tape, perfect for bundling wires of any size. This handy tool allows cutting strips with a single hand using a smooth pull and cut motion, eliminating the need for scissors or pre-cut ties. A heavy-duty belt clip keeps the dispenser easily accessible, while powerful rare earth magnets let you attach it to any metal surface while working. The dispenser includes a 12-foot roll of black, 3/4 inch wide tape ready for the next organizing project. This tape holds tables securely without damaging the wires or their jackets, making it feel like an extra pair of hands on the job. Construction workers and handymen often suffer knee injuries on demanding days, which take a long time to heal. Protect yourself from painful falls on hard concrete with Klein Tools Hinged knee pads. These pads feature gel and foam-filled pockets that provide excellent pressure distribution. Their large surface area and rounded edges offer superior stability and flexibility, allowing you to work confidently. An adjustable quick-fasten buckle ensures a secure fit for any body shape. The lightweight design and ideal size make them comfortable to wear without hindering movement. Experience top-level protection for your knees. The Klein Tools Cable Tracer is a useful and efficient instrument designed to trace and test open-ended inactive wire runs. It includes a straightforward analog tone generator paired with a sensitive wire tracing probe, making it perfect for identifying wire routes and checking cable continuity. The probe has a sturdy, non-metallic conductive tip that delivers long-lasting and reliable performance even in challenging conditions. This set comes with alligator clips for use with unterminated wires and an RJ45 to RJ45 test cable for enhanced flexibility. Together, the toner and probe conduct pin-to-pin wire map tests to provide accurate identification of wiring configurations. For convenience in dark or confined spaces, the probe tip is equipped with a work light, allowing users to locate wires easily in low-light environments. The cable tracer also offers adjustable volume control, so users can fine-tune the probe's sensitivity. It runs on AAA batteries, which are included for immediate use. The Klein Tools 32593 6-in-1 Ratcheting Stubby Screwdriver offers a compact and adaptable tool built for convenience and effectiveness. Its short design makes it perfect for working in confined spaces, while the 6-in-1 capability provides multiple screwdriver and nut driver options. The ratcheting mechanism improves speed and ease of operation, enabling fast and accurate adjustments. A cushioned grip handle ensures comfort during extended use. Manufactured by Klein Tools, a trusted name in the industry, this tool is recognized for its strength and dependability. This ratcheting stubby screwdriver from Klein Tools makes a valuable addition to any toolkit, easily handling a broad range of tasks. Klein offers a cable stapler designed to simplify and improve your cable installation projects. This tool is ideal for driving insulated staples used with voice, data, and non-metallic sheathed cable. It provides a more comfortable and steady operation by requiring a pushing motion on the handle rather than squeezing. The forward action design enhances stability and directs the force precisely where it is needed. Additionally, the stapler's force is adjustable via a lever, making it versatile for different applications. It supports multiple staple sizes, including 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 11/32 inch staples. The adjustable channel on the mounting surface guides and protects the cable, ensuring a clean and secure installation every time. Constructed with a cast aluminum body, this stapler is built to last. It also includes a cushioned grip handle for extra comfort during use. The staple push rod is securely fastened to the tool to prevent loss of parts. This excellent tool combines ease of use, flexibility, and lasting durability. A heavy-duty tool bag designed to endure any challenge. Meet the Klein Tradesman Pro Rolling Tool Bag. It includes robust 8-inch wheels and a high clearance to ensure smooth movement across uneven surfaces. The strong telescopic handle allows effortless transportation around job sites. This bag supports a maximum load capacity of 250 pounds and provides 19 pockets, both internal and external, offering ample space to organize equipment efficiently. Constructed from durable 1,680 denier ballistic weave fabric, it resists harsh conditions. An optional Klein LED light or wireless speaker can be mounted on the front, though these accessories are sold separately. For extra security, the hardtop features a double lock hasp, suitable for attaching a padlock to protect tools. For a tough and trustworthy tool bag prepared for any task, the Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Rolling Tool Bag is an excellent option. If frustration has ever arisen from using dull bits that lack precision and durability, the Klein Tools wood boring bit could become an essential addition to your toolkit. Its distinctive cutting head design goes beyond performance, allowing customization of the whole shape being drilled, thus providing versatility unmatched by conventional paddle bits. What truly differentiates this bit is its innovative head form, which reduces vibration and delivers a smoother drilling experience. This results in cleaner, more precise holes with less exertion. The blades can be sharpened easily, maintaining optimal condition for an extended period. And the hardened pilot screw is replaceable, which improves the bit's durability and reliability. Compatible with drills having either 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch chucks, the Klein Tools wood boring bit is built to handle a wide range of tasks effortlessly. For a cleaner and more efficient drilling process, this bit is indispensable. Consider the Klein Foldable Solar Panel, a portable energy source designed for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals. Delivering a powerful maximum output of 200 watts, this solar panel greatly extends the operating time of power stations during field work, ensuring devices remain powered without interruption. For quicker off-grid recharging, it can be connected in series with an additional 200-watt panel, achieving a combined output of 400 watts. The innovative design features reflective fabric on both sides to enhance visibility in darkness, while kickstands optimize sun exposure and LED indicators display power output levels. The panel is encased in a protective shell rated at ingress protection level 65 and comes with a sturdy carrying case, guaranteeing robustness in various weather conditions. 4 monocrystalline solar panels fold neatly into a compact case for easy portability and storage. Equipped with an integrated USB Type-A port and a lengthy cable measuring 16.4 feet, which is conveniently stored in a built-in pocket, this solar panel delivers exceptional versatility and convenience for all outdoor power requirements. This versatile tool allows you to measure angles, verify relative angles, or function as a level. It features a reverse contrast display that is easy to read in low light conditions and automatically rotates when turned upside down. A strong magnetic base enables attachment to metal surfaces for hands-free operation. The tool includes V-groove edges that assist in precisely aligning conduits and pipes. It can measure angles ranging from 0 to 90 degrees or 0 to 180 degrees, which is particularly helpful for bending conduits and compensating for spring back. Designed to resist water and dust, it is suitable for use in various environments. The package includes a soft carrying case and 2 AAA batteries, allowing immediate use upon receipt. For anyone confused by circuit breaker identification in an electrical panel, the Klein Tools ET310 AC Circuit Breaker Finder provides a straightforward solution. This 2-part device consists of a transmitter, which plugs into an electrical outlet or fixture, and a receiver used to scan the panel for the correct breaker. When the receiver is passed over each breaker, it offers clear visual and audible signals, making it easy to identify the right circuit with confidence. The Klein Tools Scout Pro 3 tester is engineered specifically for voice, data, and video coaxial cable connections. One of its standout components is the Test Plus Map Remote, which stores itself and allows users to test, map, and identify a cable run all in just one process. The Power over Ethernet tester feature shows both the wiring and voltage, making it easier to detect and recognize Power over Ethernet systems. Additionally, a tone generator is built in to assist with tracing cables, pairs of wires, and single conductor wires. This device can measure cable lengths up to 2,000 feet, making it suitable for a wide variety of installations. A backlit liquid crystal display screen presents cable length, wiring map, cable identification, and test outcomes in a clear and easy-to-read format. Everything needed to stay efficient and effective on the worksite comes included with this tool. Improve your cable management with Klein Tools wide-range distribution grips, designed as a lightweight and efficient one-handed solution that makes tough jobs much easier. These grips weigh 50% less than earlier versions, allowing simple one-handed control for handling cables ranging from 6 copper to 477,000 circular conductor aluminum steel reinforced. Suitable for bare wire, jacketed cables, or extra high-strength cables, they include multiple jaw types, such as fine tooth, carbide grit, and coarse tooth to meet different requirements. The generously sized handle opening accommodates various hooks for hoists and winches, enhancing their versatility. Combining a lightweight structure with broad cable compatibility, these grips simplify installations while minimizing user fatigue. Add these essential grips to your tool collection and enjoy superior efficiency in cable handling. For anyone who frequently works in factories or construction sites, noise levels can cause serious hearing damage. For this reason, the Klein Jobsite earbuds are highly recommended. They feature a built-in noise reduction rating of 28 decibels, effectively protecting your hearing from harsh noise while maintaining a safe and focused work environment. Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures clear and uninterrupted audio for music or phone conversations. Offering a total playtime of 15 hours, these earbuds provide continuous entertainment throughout the work shift. They are also waterproof, making them durable against various weather conditions. Passive noise isolation combined with expandable memory foam tips delivers immersive sound while still allowing important site alerts to be heard. With a wireless range of up to 33 feet, you can move freely without losing connection to your device. Freefall Snip stainless steel provides an excellent choice for electricians and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. The blades, crafted from durable stainless steel, stay sharp for precise and clean cutting. For increased accuracy, the blades include full serrations that prevent slipping. Extended handles offer both comfort and added leverage, enhanced further by the Freefall Snip design that makes cutting effortless. This tool is particularly well-suited for working with electrical communication wires ranging from 19 American wire gauge to 23 American wire gauge. Manual conduit reaming can be exhausting, but Klein Tools Power Conduit Reamer simplifies the task with enhanced bit retention designed to fit power drill chucks for rapid operation. This rugged tool efficiently opens conduit sizes of 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, saving significant time on large projects. A few trigger pulls are all it takes to prepare pipes for wiring pulls and fixture installation, greatly reducing the labor compared to manual methods. Equipped with a replaceable, precision-engineered blade, the tool effortlessly cuts through electrical metallic tubing to create the exact interior diameter required. This precision helps prevent cracked coverings or damaged conductors during wiring pulls, ensuring reliable and safe installations. Thank you for watching our video showcasing some of the new amazing Klein tools. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this delivered to your feed.